Janko with the Janko Realty Group at FC Tucker. I want to thank you for joining me today at 6511 Granny Smith in Avon. This home is in the Apple Creek neighborhood, which just happens to be one of my favorites. This home is about 2,000 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms. On the main floor, you've got a beautiful family room with tall ceilings, a gas fireplace, and it overlooks the kitchen with beautiful white cabinetry. You've got beautiful wood flooring throughout. You've also got a separate family room, living area up front, and a separate dining area. You've got a beautiful, fully fenced in backyard, probably one of the biggest lots in this neighborhood. So for more information, keep watching the rest of this video and give me a call. That's Tony Janko, 317-414-9355. Thanks!